Hey guys, wanted to take a second to show you that I've got a Kenmore freezer here. It's 13 cubic feet. It is plugged in, working great, and I've got my little temperature gun here. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. You can see the outside of this, about 69 degrees. The little F designates the Fahrenheit there. Go ahead and open it up. See, we're negative. Shoot all the way down here. Negative temperatures. I've also got this frozen bottle of water in here. It's pretty clean on the inside. Got the door shelves. I mean, not a whole lot to show off really, just like to show that everything is working. I've got it set on full blast there. It's a little dial you can set in case for some reason you wouldn't want it as cold. I don't know, I always put them on full blast. But, well, that's it. I'll go ahead and get this listed up. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.